Alex finished his food in 4 minutes. Lori hasn't started eating yet. Will Lori share her food? Hey, Lori, are you free for lunch today?
Yes, I'm free. Do you want to try a new place?
Sure. Do you have somewhere in mind?
I do. I found a restaurant called Talkory Kitchen. I've been reading about it for a few days.
How do you find these places?
I read reviews online first. People write about the food, the service, and the menu. And when I walked past last week, the restaurant was full. That's always a good sign.
Full means the food is good.
Full means people come back. And people only come back when the food is good.
That's a good point.
I already looked at the menu online. They have steak, grilled salmon, pasta, chicken. A lot of options.
Steak. I'll get the steak. Let's go. After this video, you will know exactly what to say at a restaurant in English. Watch carefully and find the answer to today's question. How many questions does Lori ask the waiter before she orders? Count them and write the number in the comments. Let's find out.
The special today is grilled salmon. See, I told you this place was good.
It does look busy. Good sign, like you said.
This is a really nice place, and it smells amazing in here.
A window table. Is that okay with you?
Perfect. I love window seats.
I already know what I want.
Alex, you haven't read anything yet.
I read steak. That's enough.
There are 6 main courses. Take 30 seconds.
I don't need 30 seconds.
Then you might miss something good.
I won't. Grilled steak. That's my order.
What comes with the grilled steak?
Fries and salad. It says right here.
And what comes with the grilled salmon?
Rice and vegetables.
Okay. And what's the difference between the grilled chicken and the grilled steak?
One is chicken. One is steak.
I mean the price, the sides.
Steak is $18. Chicken is $15. Steak is bigger. I'll take the steak.
I think I want the salmon. But I have one question for the waiter first.
One question?
Yeah, one question.
Okay, one question is fine.
I want to know if the salmon is grilled or fried.
Lori, it says grilled salmon right there in the name.
Sometimes restaurants say grilled, but they pan fry it. It changes the flavor completely.
I didn't know that.
That's why I ask.
Hi there, welcome to Talkory Kitchen. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'll have the grilled steak, please, with fries.
Perfect. How would you like your steak? Rare, medium, or well done?
Medium, please.
Great. And to drink?
Just water, please. Thank you.
Of course. And for you?
I have a quick question. Is the salmon grilled on an open grill or is it pan fried?
We cook it on an open grill, so it has nice grill marks and a smoky flavor.
That sounds perfect. In that case, can I get the grilled salmon, please?
Of course.
And can I have extra vegetables instead of rice?
Absolutely, no problem.
Can I also have a sparkling water, please?
Sure. So that's one grilled steak, medium, with fries, and one grilled salmon with extra vegetables instead of rice. One still water and one sparkling water. Is that everything?
That's everything. Thank you, Jess.
Perfect. Your food should be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
You always ask a lot of questions before you order. Does it actually help?
Always. When you ask questions, you understand what you're getting. No surprises.
I never ask questions. I just order.
And how often do you get exactly what you expected?
About 70% of the time.
That's why I ask questions.
Okay, next time I'll ask one question.
That's a good start.
Grilled steak for you, medium, just as you asked. And grilled salmon with extra vegetables. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Jess. This looks wonderful.
My pleasure. Let me know if you need anything else.
Look at this. You can see the grill marks. It's perfectly cooked.
Mine looks good too. How is the salmon?
Very good.
How good?
Very, very good.
Can I try a small piece?
You have a full steak, Alex.
I know, but the salmon looks really good.
It is, because I asked the right question.
Just one small piece.
Fine, here.
Okay. Yours is better.
I know.
The steak was good,
Good and
but the salmon is,
better.
yeah.
Next time, read the whole menu first and ask one question.
One question. Deal.
How was everything today?
Really good, thank you. The salmon was perfectly cooked.
The steak was great. We'll definitely come back.
Wonderful to hear. Can I get you anything else? Dessert? Coffee?
Just the check, please.
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
I can pay half.
I've got it.
Are you sure?
You picked a great restaurant. You were right about the salmon. Next time, I'll ask one question first.
Finally.
Talkory!
Somewhere very big, very busy, and a lot of decisions to make very quickly. Can you guess where they're going next? Leave your guess in the comments below. Great listening today. Now let's review. 5 phrases you can use at any restaurant. I'll have the grilled steak, please. Can I get the grilled salmon, please? Can I have a sparkling water, please? Can I have extra vegetables instead of rice? And what comes with the grilled salmon? Now your turn. Go to the comments and order something from Talkory Kitchen. For example, can I get the pasta, please? Just one sentence. I'll read every order and reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Talkory English. See you next time.
Talkory!